you ever wondered how people build wealth from absolutely nothing? It might seem impossible at first, but the truth is, wealth building is a gradual process that anyone can start, regardless of their current financial situation. It all comes down to making the right choices consistently and using the right strategies. So, how do you start your journey toward financial independence from scratch? In this video, we're going to share 8 proven ways to build wealth from the ground up. These strategies focus on increasing income, optimizing investments, and automating wealth-building habits. Ready to take control of your future? Let's dive in. 1. Master high-value AI skills in today's economy. One of the best ways to boost your earning potential is by mastering high-value AI skills. As technology continues to advance, the demand for AI experts is skyrocketing, and acquiring expertise in this field can open doors to high-paying jobs or freelancing opportunities. AI skills are not limited to tech-specific industries. There's a vast range of areas where AI knowledge can be applied, including machine learning, natural language processing, and AI-driven software development. Platforms like Coursera, FreeCodeCamp, and Udacity offer accessible learning paths to get you started with AI-related skills, even if you have no technical background. With some effort and time, you can learn programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and SQL to position yourself for better job prospects. Mastering AI can lead to roles in data science, automation, or AI consulting, all of which are known for their high income potential. The best part, you can learn at your own pace and gain access to jobs in high-demand sectors, giving you an upper hand in the competitive job market. Over tiny savings while saving money is important, focusing solely on cutting expenses isn't the fastest way to build wealth. Instead, prioritize increasing your income by focusing on building multiple revenue streams. In today's world, relying on a single paycheck is not enough. Whether you're launching a side hustle, getting into freelancing, or improving your career prospects, increasing your earning power will move you toward financial freedom much faster than just saving. Start by identifying areas where you can increase your income. It could be as simple as freelancing in your area of expertise, or starting a small online business in niches like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or digital content creation. Additionally, switching jobs strategically to match competitive salary rates can immediately boost your earnings. By focusing on aggressive income, you'll find yourself in a much better financial position to save and invest for the future. Don't just focus on saving the money you have, but find ways to consistently grow your income. By doing this, you'll create a more sustainable path toward wealth. Relying on willpower alone can be exhausting. Automation is the key to creating long-term wealth without burning out. Start by setting up automatic savings transfers the day after your payday. These should go directly into retirement accounts, high-yield savings accounts, or investment portfolios. Setting these automatic transfers helps you pay yourself first and ensures that your money is working for you. By automating your finances, you reduce the risk of making impulsive decisions and ensure that you're consistently putting money toward your financial goals. Over time, this makes building wealth seamless and effortless. 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest hurdles standing between you and wealth. If you're struggling with high-interest debt, like credit card balances or personal loans, it's essential to take control and start eliminating it as quickly as possible. The longer you allow high-interest debt to sit, the more it compounds against you, making it harder to get ahead financially. Start by using the debt avalanche method, where you prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This helps you minimize the amount of money lost to interest over time. As you eliminate high-interest debts, more of your income can go toward building wealth rather than just paying interest. Along with tackling high-interest debt, it's important to monitor your credit hygiene regularly. By checking your credit report and making sure your credit score stays healthy, you can lower your borrowing costs, which will give you more room to grow your wealth. A healthy credit score will help you secure loans with lower interest rates, which means more money for investing in your future. when it comes to investing, the wealthiest individuals understand the power of index funds. Instead of chasing hot stock tips or betting on individual companies, they focus on broad market growth through low-cost index funds. These funds provide a simple, low-risk way to invest in a wide range of companies, allowing you to own a slice of the entire economy. One of the easiest ways to get started is by investing in ETFs, exchange-traded funds, like VTI, Vanguard, Total Stock Market ETF. Index funds like these give you exposure to thousands of companies, reducing the risks associated with individual stock picking. Not only are these funds cost-efficient, but they also perform well over time, consistently providing long-term growth without requiring constant management. Another key strategy for index fund investing is dollar cost averaging, DCA. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you'll buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. This helps you avoid trying to time the market and lowers the average cost of your investments over time. 6. Leverage fractional real estate. Real estate investing used to require large sums of money for down payments, making it inaccessible for most people. However, today, platforms like real estate investment trusts, REITs, and crowdfunding allow you to invest in real estate with minimal capital. These platforms let you own a fraction of a property, whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial real estate. With REITs, you can invest in a portfolio of real estate without the need to buy property directly. You can earn income from rents and dividends without the hassle of managing tenants or properties. Crowdfunding platforms offer even more targeted investment opportunities, allowing you to invest in specific real estate projects. For those who want to get more hands-on with real estate, consider house hacking. This strategy involves buying a multifamily property, living in one unit, and renting out the others to cover your mortgage. It's a great way to get into the real estate market without a huge upfront investment, and it can help you build equity over time while generating passive income. Match. One of the easiest ways to increase your wealth is by taking advantage of employer-sponsored matches. Many companies offer 401k matches, which means they'll match a percentage of your contributions to your retirement plan. This is essentially free money, and it's one of the most straightforward ways to grow your wealth over time. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Always contribute enough to get the full match from your employer. This will instantly double your contributions and accelerate your path to financial security. If your company offers a health savings account, HSA, that's another opportunity for tax-free growth, and it's worth taking full advantage of. Taking advantage of free money from your employer gives you a significant head start on your retirement savings. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, and the less you'll need to contribute later on to reach your goals. 8. Build a financial command center. Keeping track of your finances is essential if you want to build wealth. The first step is to create a financial command center, where you can monitor everything from savings and spending to investments and debt. Tracking your finances helps you spot money leaks, such as in used subscriptions, impulse purchases, or other unnecessary expenses. Use apps like Inab, You Need a Budget, Mint, or a simple spreadsheet to track every penny you spend. By doing this for 90 days, you'll uncover spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back and reallocate funds toward investments or savings. Additionally, setting up an emergency fund ensures that you're prepared for unexpected expenses. This fund acts as a safety net and protects your wealth-building efforts from being derailed by financial crises. By tracking your finances and focusing on long-term goals, you'll be in a better position to grow your wealth and make informed decisions. There you have it, the top 8 smart ways to build wealth from zero in 2026. These strategies focus on skills, income generation, and financial automation to create a stable foundation for long-term wealth. Whether you're mastering AI skills or leveraging your 401k match, these methods will set you on the path to financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building wealth and living a financially secure life. Keep working on your goals, and we'll see you in the next video.